everybody, and today we'll be playing Jurassic World Dinosaurs thingy, whatever it's called. Some Genesis. Starting this island, it's the best I can find. Loading. Sorry if you hear licking noises. My cat is currently in the room I am in, and he's annoying me, and he is sniffing everything in sight. Okay. Park. Let's build a fence first. That's pretty good. No. A little bigger. Let's do this and dip. Some dip enclosure. Okay. And we're gonna be doing entertainment. Alright. Okay. Okay, so let's make a dinosaur. We got these stegosaurs that live 8 months. These small dinosaurs. Any other carnivores? The jungosaurus. And dead carnivores, any large carnivores? Nope. Hybrids, nope. Let's make a 24%. Okay, let's put that. Make it back. Dinosaur. Also hunt. Okay, we're down here. Zoom in. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully they'll be done. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Just gotta wait and see if we got any mail. Okay, yours. There's not here. Nope. But next tab. Nope. Storage empty. Now, okay. Let's pick some things for the guests then. Okay, let's make some things for the guests. Let's begin to make things. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2. Food, I like you. Food, I like you. Now we need some toilets. Toilets. Let's some toilets. Making sure that the ground. Something good happened. Something bad happened. What is good? Pass. Stop. Come on. Okay, stop it. Dr. Run on exit. Okay, what is this? Open the email. Where is it? Okay. The junk is your sham. I want him like jungle show. I want him. Jungle show is actually pretty good. yours. Okay, get back. Okay, my dinosaurs again, so I don't want dinosaurs, I want structures. No, what? Dinosaurs. I don't want to dinosaurs then. I got the scratches in. Okay. Then I can live longer. Okay, then we're good to open the park. Nope, got one more thing to do. Instructions. Where's it? Is there another? Is there actually a Stegosaurus this time? Yes, oh, come on. No. I know that. They don't respect. Right. Up. Down. No, I don't want that. No, that does. Baryonyx, yeah, Baryonyx. Kind of would. Okay, I'll make a Baryonyx then. Maybe there's some months. What? Okay. And I come back with the. Yeah, what should we like in a few minutes? Trapped. Okay, the Junkosaurus then. Actually, let's do 2 tabs, bro. This actually pretty big. Need some water. Did I get some? Did I use some Stegosaurus? Did I get some Stegosaurus? Yay, Stegosaurus! Extract. Yeah, boy. Some money. Some water. Water. Okay, there we go. Some water and a food dispenser. Carnival feeder, where they call it actually. And that honky music. So we got Longosaurus down. Save game. Save.